How are you? We're going to work on combining like terms. In class today we went over what like terms are, and like terms have similar or the same variables and the same exponents. Let's try this problem. 4x plus 7x to the third power minus 9x squared, the quantity, so it's wrapped on both sides, plus 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x. Notice we have 3 terms here and 3 terms here. And we're going to combine terms. We look for this middle operation. This middle operation right here is addition. So we're going to look for the highest exponent we have here. The highest exponent we have is 7x cubed. Are there any other x cubed terms? No. Since there aren't any, we'll write that down, cross it out that we used it. What's our next highest exponent? Our next highest exponent is negative 9x squared and negative 2x squared. So we're going to write these down here to add together. Remember, our operation is addition. What's our next highest exponent? After x squared would be x. Circle these. We have 4x plus negative 5x. Do we have any constants left here? We do here. We have a 3. It's a positive 3 when we look to the left of it, so we're just going to put 3 over here. Adding these two, negative 9x squared plus negative 2x squared is negative 11x squared. You could also write that as plus negative. 4x plus negative 5x is negative x. You could once again also write that as plus negative x. And then 3 is by itself here, so we're just going to write 3. So this is our answer. And notice we've written it from highest exponent to lowest exponent. Let's review our steps. We wrote a problem out. We looked for the highest exponent of all the given numbers at the top. That was 7x cubed. We wrote that one down because there were no other x cubes in the entire problem. We then noted the next lower exponent is x squared. We have a negative 9x squared in our first parentheses, a negative 2x squared in our second. So we boxed those. Notice the boxes are because they're both the same exponent. We wrote those here, performed the operation of adding, put our answer right below. The next highest exponent is x, so we have a 4x here. Notice I circled the 4x and I circled the negative 5x. The two circled items go here together. They both just have an x on them. We add 4x plus negative 5x, we get the negative 1x here. Everything's been used in the first parentheses. We have a line through that one. This is boxed, this is circled. The only thing left here is our 3. So normally I would put a triangle around the next thing, a triangle, and it comes over here. 3 has nothing to add to, so we put it down here in our answer. Alright, that's an example of combining like terms